am Shubhangi Wak from MSc First Year Food Science and Nutrition. Today I am sharing about World Environment Day. What is World Environment Day? World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June and is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. World Environment Day is a global platform for public outreach with participation from over 143 countries annually. History of Environment Day. Since 1974, World Environment Day has been started celebrating as an annual event on every 5th June. There was a turning in the year 1972, the development of the international environment politics, that is, first major conference on the issues of environment was convened under the United Nations from 5th to 16 June in Stockholm. Then on 15 December in the same year, the General Assembly adopted a resolution designating 5th June as a World Environment Day. World Environment Day 2021. This year, the day will see the launch of the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. The global host of the day is Pakistan. It is one of the biggest events celebrated every year in the world. It is also called People's Day to take care of Earth and the environment. Theme of the Environment Day 2021. The theme of the World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. It can take in various forms like growing trees, greening cities, rewilding gardens, changing diets, or cleaning up rivers and coasts. The first time World Environment Day was celebrated in 1974 with the slogan Only One Earth. World Environment Day 2021 in our college. In our college, on the occasion of the World Environment Day, took online quiz on environmental knowledge to encourage students to know about our environment and create awareness. There were total 800 responses to the quiz. The top 2 winners got cash prize and rest were given participation certificate. Thank you.